Hello everyone, my name is Manisha Badola and welcome to my YouTube channel MB's World. As promised in my last video, that is Tea Light Holder Part 2 video, that I'll soon share with you how to tie a satin ribbon bow. Here I am. So please watch it very carefully and make satin bows for yourself within a minute. To make a satin ribbon bow, first let's understand what should be the length of the satin ribbon. Use your fingers as the measuring unit. Rotate the satin ribbon twice along your fingers. This is the length that we need. So I'll just cut it along. So this is the ribbon with me. Identify the smooth surface. If you see, this is the smooth surface, this is silky and smooth, and this is the rough surface. So I'll just keep the smooth surface on top. Hold the satin ribbon along your two fingers with the help of your thumb. Take this ribbon back, bring it to the front. Let me show you again. Hold it like this. This is the smooth part. Hold it like this with the help of thumb. Take it back and bring it to the front. Now send this tape back again from the space that you have between these fingers. Bring this ribbon again to the front. Now you see I have a thumb here. I'll just put this ribbon, instead of the thumb, I'll just take the thumb out and just insert the ribbon. And I'll pull it from the other side. I'll bring it to the front. So if you see, this is the satin ribbon bow. We'll have to just adjust a little bit. Let's trim the edges. Thank you so much for watching and happy crafting.